Hey gang, welcome back to the 1 minute review. Today we're looking at Costco. We're doing a Costco shopping haul today. We're going to look around. Before we get to the haul, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you would like this type of content. Let me know in the comments down below. We try to keep it to usually 1 minute, but usually with Costco it's a little bit longer. It's a lot harder to do that as well. So what they have in the store now is all the furniture. All the fall furniture is back in. Can you believe we're talking about fall already? It's August and fall. That's what they do. Every year, they bring the fall stuff in. So there's a nice chair, $4.99, nice leather recliner. Really nice quality stuff here. And this is a nice recliner as well. It's a manual recliner. It's a fabric recliner. The other one was like a leather. It was a leather. This is like a fabric, which seems to be very nice as well. So if you've never been to Costco before, they have so much stuff. So definitely check out your local Costco. Now all the furniture is in, and it goes out just as fast as it comes in. So get out there. $299.99. That chair is on sale. $80 off. So go down now. It's a fabric recliner. I like that. They have a lot of storage solutions. Now this is great for a dorm room or someone's home, a playroom. Look at this. Comes with all the baskets, right? There's 8 baskets. It's blue. It's kind of cool. I like that. It's got places in the front that you can label it to toys or crafts or whatever you want to put in here. It really is a nice piece of wood and great storage solution. It's just fantastic. There's some really, really nice stuff today. Just tons and tons of furniture. So go into your Costco, and every Costco is different. This is one thing that I did find out. If you have a bigger Costco, there's more selection. If you have a smaller Costco, there could be less. Stuff comes and goes so fast. This is a marble top. It feels like either marble or a stone. Doors, really nice quality, soft close, tons of storage. It's designed, it's white with the black handles. Just got a really super nice look to it. Very clean, very modern. The price is only $4.99. Now, if you go to any kind of furniture store, you'll pay $2,000 for something like this. Easily $2,000. Now, the hard part is, of course, you have to lug it home. And make sure you have a lot of strong men and strong women, and also a pickup truck or something pretty big, because stuff is heavy. Okay, this is not cheap put together furniture. It's not that cheap stuff. This is good quality stuff. This is a TV shelf, storage shelf, $349 on sale. Good deal. And $100 off on that one. That's pretty cool. I like that. Then they have like nightstands, side tables, plants. They have so much stuff. So if you are at your Costco and you have different stuff, let me know. Leave me some comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. I know we usually do 1 minute reviews, but you know what? We're doing a little bit more now. I want to just share more with you and just give you more insight of all different types of experiences that I do, and I want to reshare them with you. So we haven't really found a specific niche yet. We're just trying to help you out and give you a lot of information, and that's what the goal of this channel is, to really help you out. And that's the main thing. So here's a cool plant. Now, I like this plant. We're looking for actually looking for a plant for our home, and this is like a palm tree. That's what it says. It's really kind of cool, and actually $1.99 for the small one, and $99. I know it's $1.99 for the big one and $99 for the small one. And if you've been looking for those fake plants in the stores, they're like $300-400, maybe more. And that's $100 off. So that's $199. That's a steal. So go grab that when you can. Get out there now and go get that. This is the standing desk. Now, everybody likes this. Every year this is in stock. I see it every year. I'm not sure. Standing, sitting, I don't know. But this is kind of cool. It goes up and it goes down. It has a place to charge your phone. You can adjust 3 different height settings, right? You can lock it, you can charge your phone, all kinds of cool stuff. So I think this is really nice if you want to be like, one day you want to stand up one day, so you don't want to keep sitting, fine. I think that's great. This goes up pretty high. I'm going to show you how high this goes up. So stay with me, watch this video, and you're going to see. I'm going to show you, this is pretty tall. I mean, you could be like 6 feet, no problem. I'm going to back up here and you're going to see. That's a pretty tall table right there. That's a big table, guys. So really nice. So it can go as high as you want, low as you want. Only $249. Sit and stand adjustable desk, and it's power, which is kind of cool, right? So it's a nice power desk. That's really awesome. Here's a Thomasville 9-piece dining room set. Only $9.99. Now, if you're looking for a dining room set that's all wood, not that crap they put together, this is really, Thomasville is a nice quality. This is a huge dining table. Fits, I think, what they get, 6, 8. 8, you could probably put 10, 12 people around this thing. This thing is huge. It's got a leaf in the middle. Really, just a ton of stuff. So get to your Costco, see what's going on, check out what they have. Definitely have so much going on. Comes with the chairs. I mean, the whole thing for $1,000. You go to any major furniture store, this would be $3,000, okay? Just like that. They have tons of toys coming out, so I'm doing some toy reviews, so follow me for this channel. I'm doing a lot of toy reviews as they come out. I'm going to be doing a lot of different food. We're going to do some taste testing. We're going to go shopping in Costco. We'll do a lot of different fun stuff, so definitely follow the channel. I appreciate you all watching all my videos. I really appreciate that. We appreciate that. $11.99.99 for this beautiful Thomasville fabric sectional set. I love this stuff. Okay, guys, I appreciate your time as always. I'll see you at the next review.